Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, grade 5. I'm recording this classwork for you. We need to type this paragraph about Captain James from here to here. Type the paragraph, open Microsoft Word document, type this paragraph, and then we need to do find and replace. Find and replace some words, okay? So we type the paragraph just for saving the time. We are in page 14, of course. After we type it, we need to find and do replacement for the following words. The first one is voyage. I highlighted for you with green the word that should be done with find and replace. The word voyage, I know I am in Home tab already. I go editing, I click on editing, and I do replace, find and replace. Find and replace help me to search for a word in the text, and then do replacement with something else. So I already did it before, so it's already saved. The word voyage and replaced with trip or journey. And I do replace all. This one is done. The first word is done. I close it. The second one is reached. The second word is reached. Okay, again, I go editing, I do replace, reached, and then I have to replace it with arrived. The word arrived, A-R-R-I-V-E-D. And I do replace all. Oh, I don't want to make three replacements. Arrived, it's already done. The word reach is already replaced with arrived. The second one is famous, and the last one is explored. Okay, so we have to do all of this. Take a screenshot and send it on Telegram group. Thank you so much for your time.